Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our in-depth guide on resolving error 32 on the Thermomix TM31. This error typically indicates a fault with the power supply, often related to the motor or internal circuitry. Let's break down the steps to troubleshoot and fix this issue. First, gather the required tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter, and some cleaning supplies like isopropyl alcohol and a soft cloth. Before we start, ensure the Thermomix is unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. Begin by removing the base cover. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located on the underside of the device. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Gently lift off the cover to expose the internal components. Once you have access to the internals, inspect the wiring connected to the motor. Look for any loose or disconnected wires, as these are common culprits for error 32. If you notice any damaged wiring, it's crucial to replace it before proceeding. Next, use the multimeter to test the motor for continuity. Set the multimeter to the resistance setting and touch the probes to the motor terminals. If you receive a reading of 0, the motor may be faulty and requires replacement. If you're not comfortable with these repairs, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our technicians can assess the situation for you and provide expert advice. While you're inside the unit, take the opportunity to clean the internal parts. Use a soft cloth dampened with isopropyl alcohol to gently wipe away any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will not only help in maintaining the device but also ensure optimal performance. After cleaning, recheck all connections and components before reassembling the Thermomix. If everything looks good, replace the base cover by carefully aligning it and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Now, plug the unit back in and turn it on. If error 32 persists, it may signal a more complicated issue. In this case, consider our pickup and delivery service at your home. We can collect your Thermomix, diagnose the issue thoroughly, and return it once repaired. This service is convenient as it involves no calls and no travel on your part. If you prefer to attempt further repairs, remember to seek a quote before any repair work is done. This will help you understand any potential costs involved, ensuring you make an informed decision. In conclusion, troubleshooting error 32 on your Thermomix TM31 involves careful inspection, cleaning, and testing of internal components. Whether you choose to tackle the repairs yourself or utilize our professional services, we're here to help every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your Thermomix repair. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.